So this question here is from phase 5, exercise 1 of alcohols, phenols and ethers. So this is mainly IUPAC nomenclature what we have. So the first question here has the compound which is having CH3, CH3, and there is a CH2. In the question it is given as CH3, so you can correct it. CH2OH. So this is the first one what is given to us. Now how to give the IUPAC nomenclature? Already you have learned the whatever rules. So functional group should be given the least numbering, or because it is the highest priority group. So our numbering will start from this particular carbon. So this is 1, 2, 3 and 4 and 5 carbon compounds. So it has to be a pentanol. But in the pentanol, we have 2 methyl groups present at a second and fourth position. So this is 2, 4 dimethyl pentan 1 all. Pentan 1 all. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 carbons with 2 methyl groups as substituent. So this is 2, 4 dimethyl pentan 1 all. Now let's come to the question B. This was the question A and this was question B. Now here also we have CH3, CHOH, and we have a CH2, CH, C6H5. Now C6H5 is a phenyl ring or benzene ring as such. So always remember that irrespective of the size of the group, it is a functional group which is of high priority. So functional group is present on the alkyl chain. So alkyl parent chain is decided here and phenyl becomes a substituent. So when we give the numbering 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So this is also a penta chain and it has a OH group on the second carbon. So this is pentan 2 all, but there is a phenyl ring as a substituent present at the fourth carbon. So this is 4-phenyl pentan 2 all. So the answer is 4-phenyl pentan 2 all for this question. Now let's come to the next one. The question C here is having a structure CH3CHOH, CH2, CH double bond CH2. Now here we have OH group also as well as double bond also, but OH is a high priority functional group, so that should only get the least numbering. So what we will write? We will start numbering from left to right. So 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now this double bond is shared by 4th and 5th carbons also. But which one should be given preference? Fourth position should be given preference. So this is mainly pen. It is a penta chain. So pent. And on the penta chain at the 4th carbon there is a double bond. So pent 4 in 2 on. So that is the name of the compound. Thank you.